welcome to another Diamond video, and today I am going to do an unboxing video of the Diamond Cyndeous 3-pack. I was at a fleet farm and found this. Super random. Let's get to it. Okay, here we go. The back has gone out. The cards. Get the cards out. Let's use the scissors I have. That's me. Cut it open. Of course, I didn't cut it open all the way. And unlike last time, I actually know how to fold Diamond Cyndeous. So I have Cyndeous. Like, wha-bam. I had none. Well, the cards won't come out. There we go. I got them out. So, we have Turtonium, Ventus, 2 Helixes, 502, lands on Helix, plus 100V, and 2 damage. Next card is Diamond Cyndeous Ultra, 2 shields, 206, then if land on shield, plus 200. And our final character card is Ventus Mantinoid, a shield and fist, 502. Okay, on to the diamonds. So the first diamond we have is Diamond Turtonium, 4 cost, 810. When this background opens, you may swap one of this background's cores with the opposing background. Our next Diamond Evo, and this one actually comes with all the diamond cards, is Diamond Cyndeous Ultra, 4 cost, 1004. If it lands on a shield, plus 4 damage. And our final background is Diamond Mantinoid, 6 cost, 1306. Okay, let's get to the cores. Now I just gotta dump them out. So we have a fist, plus 100, and an Ventus Chaos. Whoopsies. Sorry. Ventus Chaos plus 3. Next up is shield, plus 50, plus 1. Another shield, minus 100. A double helix, minus 100 plus 4. Another shield, plus 50 plus 1. And another double helix, plus 300 plus 3. Okay, so let's get to the background first. This is going to be Diamond Cyndeous. Let's see if there's any. Okay, he just came out, unlike the Diamond Bam. So here he is. So how you fold him is the 2 legs go in, then his little tail thing, I don't really know what it is. Fold his arm, then his shield, then his head, then his arm. He must have did no, and then just pushes in, yeah. Okay, so let's roll him out. So we have, so he goes that way. Alright, he just didn't open. Oh, sorry, he didn't open on camera. Here he is. He looks pretty neat. Really, really cool background. Really like him. So there he is. Let's go on to Diamond Mantinoid. Okay, got him out. So here he is in his ball form. Pretty cool looking. And let's roll him up. Ah, darn, I threw him way over there. Just doesn't want to pick up a core. There he goes. So here he is. Neat background. Really like the diamonds. There he is. Oh, oops. And finally, we have he came out right away from me, Diamond Turtonium. So here he is. There in his ball form. Let's roll him out. Okay, apparently, there he goes. So here is the Diamond Turtonium, my favorite from this 3-pack. So here he is. Let me see if I can get focus. There he goes. here he is very, very neat. And how you fold him. Oh, I forgot to show how you fold him. So all you do is his head and then push down. How you fold the Turtonium is you just push his head and tail up and then his feet. Okay, so that's the Diamond Cyndeous 3-pack. Okay, so till next time. Bye!